wishes for the new year, and once again, heartily welcome you all to the annual day result declaration of RKM School. I am indeed honored to have this opportunity to present before you consistent upward graph of our school achievements, and I would like to thank each one of you for being a significant part of this glorious journey. The annual report showcases the achievement and glories of our school undoubtedly, but also make us think deeply about our shortcomings. We have always, which helps the young minds to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinkers and holistic development of child personalities. Ramakrishna Mission School work on learning, creativity and knowledge, and also making character building leadership training, which is envisaged by Swami Vivekananda. On account of this year, our achievements are as follows. Number one, that Ramakrishna Mission School introduced our digital learning. He takes smart school management, Tata Class is smart class, Tata early age, early child care education, Tata Think Age, that is online, robotics platform, Tata Study Online, that is a homework, and Tinker Learning, that is online coding platform for the students. DynoLab, online maths, EVS coding, time management platform, Brisk Map, which is an international platform in which so many countries participated, like India, China, Russia, and South Africa. Knowledge Center, that is a spoken tutorial which is in collaboration with the IIT Mumbai, co-excel a 24/7 online academics to mobile app service for the students, and we have given the password and user ID to the student so they can share their problems or can solve their problems 24/7. Next, that is the Diksha Portal app. Diksha Portal app is a government app basically which is associated with the NCERT and CBSE curriculum, which helps the teachers as well as the students. Laboratories, we are having the laboratories, that is Word Work, English, Hindi and Sanskrit laboratories, Physics laboratory, Chemistry laboratory, we are having Chemistry laboratory, Bio laboratory, Computer laboratory, and one of the most, that is Adult in the laboratory, in which students did their coding and that robotics part. And this year we are introducing a new lab, that is the robotics lab. So according to new education policy system, we have to set up this robotics labs too. One important, that is Yanta Robotics Lab, and initiated by the IIT Mumbai. In the 2019, our some student visited to IIT Mumbai for the robotics platform, and along with the 14 students and some teacher we visited to IIT Mumbai in 2019. After that, COVID was there, so this year again we are trying for that. Then robotic lab, that is STEM education. This is a new lab which is going to be introduced very soon this year. Now, second, focusing for the holistic education. Holistic education means basically the Awaken Citizen program. Awaken Citizen program basically tells about the making and character building, yoga, meditation, data value education, and full marks magazine. That is a general knowledge magazine, which is a monthly magazine for our school. Then there are so many scholastic competition. Out of that, one of the important is Inspire Award Marking Science Program, Sarla Sanskrit Pariksha Exam, Rashtra Bhasha Prachar Pariksha, and so many others. In holistic education and holistic competition activities, we are having so many activities, that is drawing, SUPW, painting, district level drawing, Teachers Day drawing competition, Education Day drawing competition, Rangoli, Mehndi, Rakhi, fire rescue competition, nation building programs, Tata Classic, wall magazine competition, sea mine wars, and water harvesting competition. After that, so many Olympiads are held in the school during the whole year, that is drawing Olympiad, SOL, Science Olympiad, students participated for the Saraswati Vandana, and it is under the national conference. Then so many health checkups are there organized in the school premises, dental checkups, oral hygiene, health awareness workshop, deworming tablets, sports activities, yoga, international yoga day celebration, kabaddi competition and chess competition. Apart from this, so many workshops and career counseling interactions are also associated with the school. Then our achievements in the Ramakrishna Mission School's achievement basically, they got the high performing school of 2018 award Ramakrishna Mission CBSE for exemplary contribution to the education field, New Delhi by ASK Education, 15 World Education Summit Mumbai, the International Dance and Music Festival, second Global Educational Intellectual Award bestowed upon Ramakrishna Mission CBSE. Among the top 20 finalists has been categorized in premium ranking. Certificates of registration of ISOs, then 13 School Leadership Summit Raipur 27 September को जो organize हुआ था. Apart from this, 100 highly effective principal award 2019 and this year also. Conducted online international Swami Vivekananda Jayanti. In this we have organized so many different competitions, offline or online. Then so many additional performances are there, and one of the most important that we are sharing so many links through WhatsApp group time to time. Apart from this, one of the results regarding 10th and 12th. So this year we are having in class 10, appeared student 93 out of that 90 pass. Percentage is 96.77, and our the laureates of the school in class 10, Manas Kumar Gautam 96.33%, Muskan Rajavat, Arushi Tiwari 95.50. In class 12, the total student appeared that is 112. Out of this, 106 is passed, and remaining is passed with the overall percentage of is 100%. 90% four student, 80 to 89, 27, 70 to 79, 33 student, and 60 to 69, 31 students. And one of the most important is that our two students that who is selected for the IITs, that is Sani Arolia, that is IIT Kanpur this year, and Princy Chansolia, that is IIT BHU. So these are the important activities and important report throughout the year. And at last, I would like to tell you many milestones have been achieved and many still have to be reached. We, our Ramakrishna Mission School, will continue our increasing efforts to move to the young minds of well-behaved personalities with confidence and zeal, lifting the standards of their portal of education. This report is a sincere attempt to show our progress in terms of achievements and activities during the year. On this memorable occasion, as we recount our success with pride and happiness, we wish to dedicate all our achievements to the committed efforts of committed team called Ramakrishna Mission School. In the end, I would like to conclude with the line